Now let us start third part of the first question of exercise 4.2. We have to construct a rhombus named BEND band. Here we have given BN and ED. DE, same thing. These are the diagonals. So we have given two diagonals here. So you can take one of them. So at first we will do the rough construction. I'm taking here BEND. Okay, B E N. N I'm taking. So BN I'm taking. This is 5.6 centimeter, right? Or you can take 6.5. It is very easy to use the base as odd number. So let us take DE as the base, right? And in the DE, you know that this is a 6.5. Take odd as the base. You can take even also, but it is easy to construct via odd number. Now draw the line bisection. You know that how to bisect the line segment. Just open by the observation more than half, right? I'm taking more than half. Make one arc upside, one arc downside. Same compass setting, no setting will be changed. If your compass is loose, you can do again open the same, right? No compass setting. So just pass a line segment from here, right? This point is the bisection point of this line, right? So here we have given the another side, another diagonal is 5.6. So half of the part of diagonal will be upward this line and half of this will be downward. You know that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. So do the half of this one is 5.6 by 2. So you will get 2 to the 4, 2 8 the 16, 2.8 centimeter. So open your compass setting at 2.8, put at this point bisection point, cut this upward and same downward. Some of the student will ask, ma'am, my this arc is coming down to the main arc of the line bisection, or going upward or going downward. It doesn't matter. It will happen only when you open your compass. If you open large length, maybe your this arc will come downwards. If you open this one up to here, maybe this arc come downwards, or it may be come on the this arc also, doesn't matter, right? We just need this point where it cuts. So just match these and you will get the construction of the rhombus, because all sides are equal. Now you get the equal distance, right? Now let us do the main construction. Now I'm taking as a base 6.5. So 6.5 I'm taking here as a base, and this is 6.5. This is I'm taking a DE. Okay, so it will become BEND, right? Okay, so at first we will do the line bisection. Put your tip of the compass open by observation more than half, right? And make the arc upward and downward. Same compass setting, put at E and cut this arc, right? This is the weight by how we can bisect the line segment. Now match these 2 points or pass the line segment from here. So now open your compass 2.8 centimeter. I told you half of the next diagonal. Okay, and put it here bisection point. Make this arc upward and same downward, right? Same compass setting, no change, both side 2.8. So just meet these 2 points, then next 2 points, then next point, and the next one. This is the construction of your quadrilateral rhombus. Name is BEND, where the measurements are, this D is 6.5 centimeter and this is 2.8 centimeter and 2.8 centimeter, or you can combinedly write 5.6 centimeter, right? So thank you.